Hey guys, today is K-9 Veterans Day and we thought there's no better way than to recognize our four-legged friends than to talk about a first aid kit. So this is our solution to providing something for your pooch, and if you're talking about your own first aid applications and carrying something like that, like our boo-boo kit or whatever you have for your own treatment, we'd like to talk about the canines too, because they do require stuff if they get hurt or injured. So it's not something that a lot of people think about. However, we do have a solution for that. But I'm not just up here to talk about the product today. We want to give one of these away today. So what we're going to do in honor of K-9 Veterans Day is if you will either email submissions@itstactical.com or use the pound tag K9 First Aid Kit, just spelled like that, K and 9, on social media, we will find those and we will look through them all. What we want to see are your pictures of your pooch. So who doesn't like seeing dog pictures? That's what we want to see. So if you have a dog at home and you want something like this, enter your photos and we'll pick the top photo that we like and we'll send you one of these. So not only we get our Gizmo Lite Bag in red just like this, but you'll also get the K9 First Aid Kit containing all the components here. So it's got everything from a pressure dressing to compressed gauze, an elastic bandage, emergency blanket, you name it. We've got a lot of stuff for your dog, even hydrogen peroxide to induce vomiting, of course. So all this stuff comes in our package kit just like this, as well as a Gizmo Lite that is pretty cool. You can mount it on a vehicle. We include this that you can mount over a head wrap. This is kind of available as an add-on, but we will include one with the winning picture submission. But the back of our Gizmo Lite bags has a little removable panel on it, and you can stick this to the back of a headrest with something like this too, or you can just stash this under the seat ready to go in an emergency. So tag us with your photos, send them in. We want to see your pooches.